Welcome! In this tutorial, I want to introduce you to the dynamic texture. Here, I have a simple scene with a plane to start with, but you can apply this method to any of your assets with the right setup. I am going to quickly duplicate my plane, open the material, and duplicate the material as well. Now I will create a dynamic texture and plug it into my new material. Also going to plug the texture into my alpha channel and change the transparency mode to alpha blend. I am going to quickly change the color to have a better view. Depending on the situation, you may want to disable auto size and adjust the size here. Here on top, you can dynamically type the new text and change the font and style. Click on Advance to open the settings, and you can further customize the position and parameters of your dynamic texture or select the UV channel. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial and thank you for watching.